Imagine waking up tomorrow to an earth-shattering roar. What if all the supervolcanoes on our planet erupted at once? It sounds like the plot of a sci-fi thriller, but let's dive into the science first. Let's understand the scale. Supervolcanoes like Yellowstone, Toba, and Campi are geological giants capable of ejecting billions of tons of ash and gases into the atmosphere. The immediate aftermath would be catastrophic. Ash clouds could block out the sun, plunging the world into a volcanic winter. But what happens next? Survival would hinge on preparation and adaptability. Imagine underground cities deep below the Earth's surface. These shelters, equipped with advanced filtration systems, could protect us from toxic ash and gases. Stockpiling food and water would be crucial. Freeze-dried meals, hydroponic farms, and water purification systems would ensure sustenance for the long haul. Communication would be key. Satellite networks and radio systems would help us stay in coordinating efforts globally. But it's not just about surviving. It's about adapting human ingenuity to knows no bounds. Post-apocalypse, we need to rethink agriculture, indoor farming, using LED lights and controlled environments could become the norm. We'd harness geothermal energy from the very volcanoes that caused the disaster. Turning a crisis into an opportunity, communities would need to band together, forming resilient networks. Skills like engineering, medicine, and agriculture would become invaluable. Education systems would evolve, focusing on survival skills and technological innovation. Life after such an apocalypse would be challenging, no doubt, but history has shown us that humanity has an incredible capacity to adapt and overcome. We are, after all, a species of survivors. So, next time you hear about supervolcanoes, remember it's not just about the eruption, it's about how we rise from the ashes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Stay curious.